Hey, good evening, guys. Today, 21st May 2024, and the time is 7 p.m. EST. Today, we're going to talk about empirical rule 68, 95, 99.7, especially when it is when the distribution follows the normal distribution. Let me share my screen. Give me a second. So, hope you guys were able to see my screen. So, empirical rule mainly follows two things. One is based on standard deviation. The other one is we can say population mean. Standard deviation we always represent sigma, and the mean we represent as mu. But when it comes to the normal distribution, sorry, I was little poor at drawing lines. Let me draw this line. Take the help. This okay, and let me draw the curve. I'm taking the symbol will help. Okay. Let me take this. So let's take this as I mean, this picture represents the empirical normal distribution curve, where we can identify a few things. So let's take the center point. Let's assume the center line we can do it as mean, and there is certain distance. Okay, you can say this certain distance. Okay, and there is some other distance, and there is other distance. For now, let's take these values. So, what empirical rule which proves that, right? And for the normal, that if the data is normally distributed, the mean minus one standard deviation, mean plus one standard deviation, and the other side is mean minus one standard deviation. So, if I have a series of data and if I follow this rule, it covers 68% of the distribution of the data. So, this particular rule covers 65%. And let's say, this is the line we were talking. Okay, this could be like mu minus 2 2 sigma and mu plus 2 sigma. So this particular thing covers 95% of the distribution. Okay, so and if you take this one, this could be like, you guys already got the number mu minus 3 sigma mu plus 3 sigma, which covers about 98.99.7% of data. So let's get into the example. Okay, so I'm taking the new what I would say is I will take it to the new word pad or excel sheet. What I can say, we need to compare the values. Let's say in us I'm not saving this. Oh no, save, not save. Save it as empirical. Saving this. Okay. Let's say somebody gave the data saying that gas prices in US is $100, average of $100, with a standard deviation of $2. Standard deviation of $2. Okay, so how this we can discuss using normal distribution. What does that mean? So according to formula, it could be mu plus or minus n sigma. So if that is the case, let's say 100 plus first series is 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2, and other side is 100 minus 2. If I take this, so $102. If I take this is $98. So this particular data, whatever calculated, according to earlier picture, which is 68%, which covers 68% of the states. This price between 102 to 98, which covers the 68%. Similar way, if I go with next in the line, that is the sequence is, if n is equal to 1, this is the 1. If n is equal to 2, that will go to like, if n is equal to 2, 100 minus 100 plus n is 2 and sigma is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4, and 100 minus 4, which is 104 and 96. This is like 95%. So according to the empirical formula, if the data follows the distribution, normal distribution, the prices in US, gas prices in US varies from, 95% of the states follows between the falls between the bucket of 104 to $96. This way, we can understand the mean and standard deviation values to interpret the data interpretation, how we can analyze the data. So hope this helps. Thank you.